Hi everyone. Today we do have the two topics that we'll have to see. First the topic is how to make a required entry or optional entry in the material master, or how to change the warning message into error message, or error message into the warning message. So these two important topics today we will cover, and let's start with the how to make optional entry or the required entry in the material master. So for that sake, what I will do, first of all, I will mm60 is a T code to take out the list of the material. So what I will do, that 1000 I will take out, and the material type I am entering is FERT material type is FERT, and the valuated material having only that means the material which is having the quantity or the value, both should be updated in the material master. So see why I am saying this, the valuated material. If in the case of non-valuated material, you can check in the material type or OMS2 itself that you'll have the two ticks, right? One tick is value updating, or as well as in quantity updating. But in case of non-valuated material, you do have only quantity updating instead of value updating also. So that's what we call the non-valuated material. Or another thing that I would like to tell you, under the non-valuated material, under non-valuated material, there is no accounting entries used to generate at the time of MIGO. So everyone should remember this, that at the time of MIGO, there is no accounting document used to generate. There is no accounting entries used to generate at the time of, by using for the non-valuated material at the time of MIGO. So this is one of the most important point that everybody should know. So let's come to the point, that how to make the optional entry or the required entry. What I will do, I just copy it, and slash in mm03 I will open the same material in the mm03. So let's suppose open with the foreign trade export, that means the control codes, and the plant code is 1000. Just I'll give you the example. See the control code, that means it does not have the required entry. So what I will do, first of all, I will make it how to it will be the required entry. That means without entering of the control codes, the system does not allow you to make the material master, right? So I am using the existing material master also. In this one also I can do the same. So I will tell you one more thing, that what material type I have taken. Material type is FERT, that means finished goods. Okay, so for the so for that sake, I need some technical details of it in this field. So just click F1. After that, click here. You will get the technical field. See the screen field I am getting here is MARC. That means the table, the data which we just save in the MARC table with the field name is STEUC. So just click on copy. Okay, and just open a new tab. In the new tab, you enter OMS9 is a T code. See T code, and what I told you, to select how to make it the control, here we have copied that field. Enter the copy that field here. You can get, yeah, the field group is 128, the field group, and click on enter. You will get, see the control codes of the consumption taxes. That means consumption taxes in the foreign trade export, and just double click on it. And one more thing, go to back. Here you need to select FERT, the material code, the FERT, yeah. So what I will do here, right now it is in the optional entry. That means we can enter or we cannot enter. The system will allow used to make the material master. But when I will click on here, that means the required entry, after I will save it, let's click, let's generate a new TR. For the TR process I have already explained in my previous video also, and later on also I will explain. If you need the details description about the TR, just comment me in the comment box, so that I will make a separate video on the TR, how to make the TR and how the TR will move from the golden clients to testing to quality, and quality to production. That means the movement of the TR should be golden clients to testing client to quality client, and quality client to production client. So what I will do, I will just say underscore required underscore entry, sorry, eq underscore entry. Okay, just click on. So data was saved, and if I'll open the previous material which has been over here, see this material, I'll just copy, and again I will open the same material in mm02 to editing it. Sorry, /n, and mm02 is a T code. Just click on enter, select the foreign thread export import. Okay, and 1000 would be the code. So we can see a checkbox here. That means it is compulsory. If we'll try to save it, the system will generate, see, the fill in all the required entry. That means the configuration what I have did right now, it is actually correct. In the same method also, if I don't need, I'll have to make only display, or I'll have to make only optional entry. Just click on optional entry, again make it save. The data was saved. Again go to back. What I will do, I'll just click on /n, so data will not save, and go to mm02, open the same material, and foreign thread export data or import data, anything, not an issue. A foreign thread export data also. Here also you'll have to see the compulsory checkbox has been removed. That means the configuration what we have did is actually correct. So from this method we can make a checkbox in the material master. Will make the required entry or as well as the optional entry, correct? So we have seen till now we have seen what we have seen, that is correct. And if anybody having any doubt, just mention and just comment in the comment box. I will drop my email ID in the description box. You can directly mail me. I will definitely I will respond. So what I will do right now, as I told you, SPRO, as I told you, what will the next part, how to change the warning message into the error message or error message into the warning message. Just SAP IMG reference, go to logistics general, go to material master, and the basic setting. Here you do have the define attribute of message. See, we do also the T code is OMT4 /n. OMT4 is a T code. It will come over here itself. So see, E means error and W means warning. As you can see, E means error message and W means warning. As you can see here, no message, warning message or error message. From here, whatever the setting you will do, suppose you want the check data for the purchasing value key is error, so you have to enter error. If you would need that it should be only warning and the system should allow to process, then you will have to enter W. That means it will convert you can convert the error into the warning message. So this way you can do whatever the changes you wanted to do, but in the most cases we do not used to prefer such thing. In 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 extraordinary cases, like there is no way to do such kind of process, like I'll give you one example, right? Suppose a customer who used to do the reservation, right? Reservation. Suppose the customer have made the reservation itself by the using of movement type 201. Client make a reservation of material by using movement type 201. Now what the client wants, now he wants to use this material, particular material. So suppose the material having the stock, right? So when he will allow, when the system when you will do the MIGO, at the time of MIGO, might be if you have not mentioned the profit center in the material master, that time, at the time of MIGO, again the reservation, you will get a error message, what will the error message? 335 would be the error message, as I know. Yeah, 335. You want to change the profit center, but the material stock still exists, or the balancing, like the message will be 335 mm. So this to remove such kind of message, or such kind of extraordinary cases, you will have to follow this case only. You will have to follow this process. You will have to convert the error message into warning message. Then you will have to go to the material master. You will update the profit center. After that, at the time of MIGO, the profit center message will the profit center error will not come, and the system will allow you to post the material into the unrestricted stock, so that you can consume the material, right? After that, again what you have to do, again you'll have to change into W into E, because this is a process, this is the thing that you cannot open as a warning message, because it's a most important thing, and maybe the user or the other person can misuse it. So make sure, if the clients required it to warning message, make sure you'll have to get the proper approval from your management. Then only you should have to convert this error message into warning message, right? So I hope you have understand my point. If you have any query related to the topics what I have explained today, just comment me in the comment box, or you can directly mail me over my mail ID, which I will provide in the description box. So I will definitely try to resolve your issue. Whatever the doubts you will get, I will definitely resolve. So I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and please do subscribe my channel, so that you can get the update while I upload the new video. So thank you, and thanks for today.